in swimsuit, right? How did that make you feel?
Nothing, Char.
Nothing, it's normal. Well, congratulations to you because you are called as the second and not the Lars.
Hello, John.
Hi as well.
Finally meet you in person.
Oh,
I'm
thank
a fan.
Are you a fan?
Yes.
Ceiling fan. Hello. Number 4, are you excited for your question?
No.
No? Let me ask you, what excites you the most?
I want to rest.
Yes, after this you can rest your mind, but for now, impress the judges and the rest is up to the Lord.
I'm so nervous.
Because? Why are you nervous?
Because I have nervous system.
Me too. You have a tattoo on your body. What does it mean?
Happy birthday.
Happy
birthday.
Happy birthday!
Birthday mo ba?
When is your birthday?
December 9.
Aabot ka ba?
Sana.
Joy, I'm so thrilled right now because I'm sharing the stage with you because in work I usually judge and you host, and
Yes.
right now I get to feel how is it being a candidate and you were hosting, and you know, I sometimes wish that maybe I can be included in your mentality video.
I can also judge you right now if you want. So thank you so much for doing that.
Thank you for sharing that, Joy.
You're welcome, Joy. Wala naman ako natanggap.
Wala pa.
I'm so much nervous with Miss Jusa and of course Sir Nito.
I can go home if you want. If
Sige,
it's
uwi ka
gonna
na.
make you comfortable, I'm gonna go out.
Sasandal ka lang.
True. Ano yan, neck brace? Candidate number 13, I also like your hair. Saan ka galing? True. Very polite. And you said baka hindi mo na makawakan yung mic mamaya. You wanna hold it now? So, naniniwala ka ba na ang agila ang dapat na pambansang hayop ng Pilipinas?
Oo naman.
Why?
Kasi yun naman yun na yung decision nila.
Oh, bakit natin baguhin? He was supposed to be an SG, but tonight she's answering an SDG. Pick your SDG.
Ako talagang kinakabahan at na-pressure.
Well, Nico, I have to share this with you. She is from Candon City, and she won during the recently concluded Ilocos Sur Pride Queen. So she holds the title as the Pride Queen of the province. So, of course, we understand the pressure, but we also understand that you are carrying the pride of the province with you. Are you ready for your SDG?
Dinagdagan mo yung kaba ko.
Oo nga. Grabe ka naman, Joy.
Anong kaba? Kabaklaan.
Bakit? Bakit
What can you
overwhelmed?
say about Nico?
I have been always following him because he always visited my hometown in Cebu.
So you always follow Nico on Instagram or in real life, like a stalker? What can you say about Nico?
Wow.